how to edit your WordPress website. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can edit your WordPress website, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to edit your WordPress website, I'm going to use a plugin called Elementor, which is a very nice website builder. You can also use the default WordPress website builder, but I'm just going to use that. And let's say there are some kind of pages that you want to actually edit, right? And then you want to make it some kind of decorative format or whatever. In this case, I have Elementor, so you can choose to edit to it by using the default WordPress editor, but I'll just select edit with Elementor. So make sure that you've created your Elementor plugin before and installed it already. So once you go to edit with Elementor, now I can choose to add a video. I can go ahead and remove it if I want to add an intersection. I could absolutely do that if I want to go ahead and add some kind of products or structure, whatever else. I can do that as well if I want to add a blog post, if I want to add my shopping products over here. I can do that. On the left hand side, you'll be able to select the layout, the style, and some of the advanced settings. Once you're done with the changes, all you need to do is just click on the update button and your website changes will be successfully saved. You can repeat the process for any other type of pages that you want to create on WordPress using Elementor. So that's all it takes to edit your website or your WordPress website. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.